साइंस एवं पब्लिक स्कूल खुर्जीदी घा पटना 11. Your online classes is performed per day. Topics wise, we have studied about the chemical change and chemical reactions. Now few questions was left in previous class, so it is just made for you. These questions are under class assessment 1 of your textbook. Question 1 is given. Give one example each of. It is said to give an examples for physical change. You know, it is very simple. Already given. The answer is melting of ice, melting of wax. These are the example of physical change. Another example, it is said to make another example for chemical change. Chemical change is, the example of chemical change is burning of wood, burning of candle, burning of anything, digestion of food, like this. Another question is given in your textbook. What happens in a chemical reaction? What happens in a chemical reaction? In a chemical reaction, one or more substances change into other substance. One or more substances change into other substance having different compositions. You know composition from which it is made, and different properties. It's all properties, the form, substance, the products. Products are totally different properties to that of reactant. So a chemical change is a reaction in which one or more reactant or reacting substance change into other substance, and that very other substance having different compositions and different their properties to that of reactants. Then another question is, however the following indicates in a chemical reaction. The given things, how can you indicate? The first question was given that you have to indicate that with the help of equation evolution of gas. How can you show that with the help of chemical equation about the evolution of gas? So many examples have been given. If zinc granules reacts with dilute H2SO4, water added H2SO4, then zinc ZnSO4 solution and hydrogen gas is evolved. It is just give a arrow sign in upward direction indicates the evolution of gas. Another thing indicated in this equation by equation is formation of precipitate. Silver nitrate solution and sodium chloride solution is mixed together, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. It is indicated by downward direction arrow sign, and sodium nitrate solution is also formed. The next indication is given like evolution or absorption of heat. You have to indicate by equation the evolution and absorption of heat. Here carbon is burnt in oxygen of air and carbon dioxide gas is formed. Heat and light is also evolved. So this equation indicates the evolution of heat, and when calcium carbonate, limestone, marble is given heat, then after getting heat, after absorbing heat at 900 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is just decomposed into CaO and CO2. So this indicates the absorption of heat. It is called endothermic reaction, and if heat is evolved, it is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. And heat is absorbed, it is called endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Write one reaction for each of the following. For the given things, you have to write an equation. The first is evolution of gas, that is given in the above previous question. APS, H2SO4, APSO4 plus H2S. H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide gas. It has rotten egg-like odor. Rotten egg-like odor. The another thing you have to show after performing equation, change in color. How can you perform by the help of with the help